What's going on, squad? Stony here, bringing you another video. Of course it's fishing, sorry. But we went to OHIV yesterday, we caught a good one. We watched the buds catch a good one. And then got invited out today to Twin Buttes, so that's where we're going. We're gonna go to Twin Buttes in San Angelo. We're gonna see if we can catch a lunker. Maybe not, hopefully we catch one. Won't be a wasted trip then. So next time you guys see me, we'll be out on Twin Buttes, paddling our way to wherever we're going. So I'll see you out there. Later. So here we go. We're on Twin Buttes. We're gonna head South Pole. Wish us luck. There he is. Chatterbait. Yes. Oh, man. Look at that. Skinny, but he's beautiful. Nice. Pretty fish. At least we know they're here on a chatterbait. Let's go with 3 seconds. Give me a little bit of time. Let's get this thing. Come on, cooperate with me. Mouth closed. Hopefully I got a good one. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Thank you, little buddy. One last look. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's let you go. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Get back to it. I had to throw my hood on. Hopefully we can get another fish. I don't know if they're gonna be... Real bad storm last night, so I don't know if they're gonna be biting. It's pretty cold today. It was in the 70s yesterday or so. And then today, it was 40 degrees this morning. Well, at least I caught one today. I don't think I'm gonna catch any more. That is for damn certain. Boom, that's all I want. Keep me right here. Sound good? Trying the chatterbait because I can't sit still long enough to do a plastic, so just Going where the wind wants me. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swim bait. Swim bait. I probably won't be able to see it. That thing came right off. That was my favorite perch. I don't think it floats. Oh, damn it. I guess I threw it too hard. Yeah, that doesn't float. It's gone. Oh, that was fun while it lasted. At least my pole didn't break. This actually isn't a bad spot for a fish. What's going on, squad? Looks like we only got one. The buddy hooked one. He got a drum. Not too bad of a day. The wind caught up to us early, so we did have to leave, but we got one fish in. Nice 16.5. Not too bad for the day. But we're gonna head out again, hopefully sometime soon. You guys will see me again. I'm gonna sift through all this footage. I'm gonna get you guys a good product. Let me know in the comments section what you guys wanna see next, what video, whatever it is, let me know. Do me a favor, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. Hopefully you like the video. If not, let me know why in the comments section, and I'll try to fix it again later, okay? Until next time, we'll see you guys out on the water. This is Stoney signing off. Later.